My name's Chris. I'm the Capable Carpenter. I'm really excited to be a guest speaker at the 6th Tiny House Summer Camp put on by the Dietrichson Brothers in a couple months up in Vermont. Hope to see you guys there. Gazebo job we're just getting ready to finish up. It's right here on the Neuse River in beautiful eastern North Carolina. We just added 5 feet on 2 sides of it, kind of the funky steps just because we didn't really have a choice. There was an old fishing table there. We narrowed it down a little bit, give some more room. But we tricked this out a little bit and I want to show you that real quick. We like repurposing, so we found some driftwood down here and just use that for handles. It's hurricane weather, so this will lock everything closed. Sink, we reused some tile that the owner's son had given them. Just use old cheap Lowe's metal for a backsplash. I'm going to build some shelves up there. Just a little spot on top of the fridge here. You want to stick something windproof, hide it, whatever the case may be. Another little spot over here. It's just we bought a bunch of live edge pine at a local mill and tried to make that work. Those buttons right there were the magic happen. Those are just winch buttons. And the owner is a poker player, so when people start talking trash, you hit this button right here. You get to whip out the cards. And this works just like a boat lift. There's a winch, 12-volt winch, solar panel, trickle charger, and that just runs up and over a pulley, and then attaches to the bottom of these pipes that are sitting on a narrower pipe just as guides. Oak top, we just oiled everything. Should preserve it a good amount of time. The bottom's trash because I got busy riding it up and down yesterday. I was excited. So this is it. Fun little spot in New Bern.